My video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the pop-ups that come from the site pushcoffeepro.com. Pushcoffeepro.com is a junk and deceptive website. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Push Coffee Pro tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But in reality, to click on allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser would be hijacked with multiple advertisements that would be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser immediately, otherwise you will keep facing these multiple ads. So to fix this issue and to stop these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. So pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find any malicious sites like this pushcoffeepro.com, you need to get rid of them from this list completely. And this should fix your browser manually. But I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.